What's up, YouTubers? So far, I'm loving this bike. It's nice. My only concern right now would be this right here, this mirror. Both of them. They're okay, but whenever you're driving like at a high speed, not so good. So I came across this right here. This is supposed to give you like a better view, like a 180-degree view, you know, something like that, I guess. You know, and it's pretty easy. You peel the little plastic off and you stick it right on there, and you should get like a better view. You know, so I'm gonna do like a before and after to see if it really worked. All right, this is before look, and this is after. Wow, that's a big difference. That's a big difference. I love it. All right, people, stay blessed. Don't forget, subscribe and hit that like button. Have a good day.